Okay, so I'm gonna solve number 203 from the first review, and this is the question. It's giving you a solution, and it's asking you what is the correct form of the conversion factor needed to convert the number of moles of oxygen to the number of moles of the solution. Okay, so we have 5 different options, and we'll find out which one is the correct option. Okay, so just take a look at them, and then I'll try to explain as much as possible the correct answer. Okay, so I have the solution right here, the same thing that we have over here in the other paper. Now, the first thing you always need to know is if the actual solution is balanced. In this case, we're just gonna find out real quick. So on the left side, we have iron, right? And then you multiply that times 4, so we have 4 of iron. Okay, and then oxygen, we have 2 molecules of oxygen, times 3, we have 6, right? So in other words, for iron, we have 4. For oxygen, we have 6. Okay, let's find out if on the other side, on the right side, we have the same amount of molecules. Okay, so we have iron, oxygen. So we have 2 for iron times 2, we got 4 there. And then we have oxygen, we have 3 of them, times 2, we have 6. So is it balanced? Yeah, they both have the same number. So it is balanced. Now let's just find out what's the correct factor in order to convert those moles of oxygen. 2 moles of the final solution. Okay, so let's say we have 12 moles of O2, right? And we want to convert that to moles of this final solution. The correct factor will be this one right here. So in order to get the moles of this, we need to multiply and divide times something, but after that multiplication and division, we need to eliminate these moles, right? Moles of O2. So in order to do that, we need to have moles of O2 down here. Okay, moles of O2. That way they can be eliminated. Okay, and because we have the moles of O2 down here, we'll have the moles of F2 I mean 2F2O3 up here on top. Okay, so let's just find out, just write down that moles of 2F2O3. Okay, what numbers do we have to put here? We need to follow the actual balanced equation. Okay, so we need to use the coefficients of each part of it. So for O2, which is the one that we need here, we have a coefficient of 3. We have a number 3 here, so we cannot use just a number 1 and a number 1 for both of these two. We need to use the same coefficient that we have up here. So we have a number 3 for O2, so we're going to use a 3 right here for O2. But we have a number 2 for the final solution, so that 2 we're going to use it right here. Okay, so if we need to know the moles of the final solution, as I said, we have 12 months, that's just an example. We need to multiply that times 2 moles of a solution divided by 3 moles of oxygen, and that's how you're gonna get your moles of a solution. So this is the correct answer: 2 over 3, 2 of the solution over 3 of oxygen. And let's find out if we have the same answer over here. Here it is letter E. 2 moles of the solution divided by 3 moles of oxygen. For number 203, our answer will be E. Thank you.